Welcome back to Mr. Now Weather Dates. And today we're going to have a look at the line radar first and the precipitation over the next few days and the temperatures, just see what we're going on, and the hurricane, because there's been a few updates in the movement of this Hurricane Kirk, which we're going to have a look at in a moment. Just having a look at the hurricane radar after this. So let's have a look. So it says here, slight chance of rain over the 6 hours. We have got a few bits of showers coming up. It will be a cloudy day, so you're not going to see much sun. A few heavier showers just in Cornwall here, which will be moving up in a little bit further north. We'll have to see what happens there. In terms of temperatures, it will be again same as like we've seen quite a few days. Quite mild, 15 degrees is possible in most areas. Just sticking to around the average. So have a look at the hurricane. Since we've last checked, this hurricane is still a category 3, but is changed directions a little bit. Last time it was going towards the south of the UK, in like about this direction, and now it's going into away from the UK into France. So it's more in the English, in the area of Europe. So it's moving away, it's getting a little bit more south, but it's still a post-tropical cyclone in the area of France anyway. Still going to be 45-mile-per-hour winds. We have got a slight area that is still in this area, area where this could affect. But nothing like we saw yesterday where it was going up all the way up here. So at least it is moving away from us. Even though I know it's not going to be becoming a developed hurricane, it was quite a strong one into the Atlantic. It was a category 3 major. So it will be a post-tropical cyclone, 45-mile-per-hour winds in France. So it should not hit the UK as lightly. So if we go over to the UKV, we can see here, widely cloudy day in most areas with a few showers in some areas as well. Maybe some showers moving over to the north as well. And maybe it's going to try and clear into Monday morning. We'll have a few showers in the west, as you can see here, which will more cloud dominating. But then that will again, that will be pushed away. With a little bit more clear spells of a few more isolated showers in most areas of that. So we have got some heavy showers again moving up north into Tuesday morning, as long as a few in the south as well. And yeah, a few more scattered, maybe thundery showers. It did say something to do with thundery on the forecast, which will be moving about for the remainder of the day. You can see here as well. As long as the showers, we have got some hill snow again in Scotland, obviously, in the Cairngorms National Park nightly. That shouldn't move any more north. We can still see it is still there. Coming into Thursday, a few more scattered showers in Scotland with a few more snow showers. Now, that snow showers may move up into the islands a little bit as well, bumping into the rain, maybe causing a little bit of disruption. Otherwise, it should be mainly hill snow. And then looking not too bad actually for October, 11th of October. Now if we have a look at today's temperature, it's going to be about, let's see, 17 degrees in the far south. So pleasant, but it will be raining a little bit today. So on to Monday, it's a lot warmer in fact. 16, 17 to 18 degrees is possible. Maybe we could fit an isolated 19 degrees. So definitely getting a little bit more into the high teens in some areas. And maybe a little bit a touch cooler on Tuesday with a few 17s in the far southeast. You can see here Wednesday again, 17, 16 in the far south with mid-teens in most areas. And then on to Thursday, it gets a lot cooler now. Just going to low teens to single digits in most areas, meaning why there was hill snow in Scotland. Here are the temperatures for tonight. We could see another frost night with fog, so definitely turning a bit colder. So, having a look at the GFS, we'll be able to see what the hurricane's actually going to do. And you can see it is just over here in the Atlantic. But you can see here, it moves south towards the winds, and it will only affect France. But it could move, it could bring another low pressure system, giving some more rain as well. So it could still affect the UK a little bit, but not as much as we thought it would. Now there is a system trying to push in, which is an area of lower pressure with a little bit more cooler winds, but that does get a little bit blocked. It's only getting to Ireland as that gets dominated by an area of high pressure, maybe giving some more warmer weather possible. And then it's going to be staying quite nice, high pressure, maybe a little bit more breaking as we get into the end of mid-October. So we can see it's going to be turning changeable, but for now, as we look into the 10-day outlook, it does definitely look like it's going to be a lot more settled and a little bit warmer than average. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.